Bonjour et bienvenue à ma chaîne YouTube. Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to negate a sentence using another way in French. La négation en français, partie 2. C'est parti. In the earlier video, we saw that to make a sentence in the negative form, we add ne or an apostrophe before the conjugated verb, and we add pas after the conjugated verb. However, in this video, we'll see another way of negating a sentence, that is using aucun or aucune. Aucun or aucune, both of them mean none or not any. Aucun is used for a noun that is masculine singular, whereas aucune is used for a noun that is feminine singular. Now, to understand this even better, let's have a look at the first sentence. Tu veux un stylo? Do you want a pen? Non, je ne veux tirer stylo. We see that there is ne before the conjugated verb. However, we won't be using pas. We will be using either aucun or aucune. Now, to decide which one to use, well, that depends on the object, that is un stylo. Un stylo is masculine singular, so we will be choosing aucun. Tu veux un stylo? Do you want a pen? Non, je ne veux aucun stylo. No, I don't want any pen. Moving on to the next one. Il y a une réponse. There is an answer or there is a reply. We see that in the sentence we already have an apostrophe before the conjugated verb. However, we need to choose again between aucun and aucune. Again, that decision depends on the object, that is une réponse, which is feminine singular. So our answer here will be aucune. Il n'y a aucune réponse. There is no reply. Also, apart from this, I would like to get your attention to something important, that is il y a, which means there is or there are. It doesn't really belong to a specific verb. However, when it comes to negating il y a, we add an apostrophe before y, that is e when we pronounce it in French, and pas after a, that is a in French. So il y a is the positive form, il n'y a pas is the negative form. So seeing that we won't be using pas but rather aucun or aucune, therefore we are placing an apostrophe before e and aucune after a. Moving on to the next sentence. Je reçois des messages. I receive some messages. Je ne reçois message. Now, again, we have ne before the conjugated verb. However, we need to choose either aucun or aucune to add after the conjugated verb. So again, that depends on the object. In this case, the object here is des messages, which is masculine plural. So, focusing on the fact that it's masculine, it would be aucun. Je reçois des messages. I receive messages. Je ne reçois aucun message. I don't receive any message. Or I receive no message. One more thing to remember about aucun and aucune is that they are always singular. They will always be in the singular form. And as you can see in this sentence, message is in the singular form. I receive no message, or I don't receive any message. And moving on to the last sentence, nous achetons des robes. We buy some dresses. Nous n'achetons des robes. So we have an apostrophe before the conjugated verb. Seeing that the conjugated verb begins with a vowel, that's why we are using an apostrophe. And we need to choose from aucun or aucune. So, focusing on the object here, that is robe, which is feminine. And in this sentence, it's feminine plural. But let's focus on the gender, that is feminine. So, our answer here will be aucune. Nous achetons des robes. We buy some dresses. Nous n'achetons aucune robe. We do not buy any dress. I hope you understand. Thank you for watching et à bientôt.